Hello student, this is Rohit Upadhyay, computer teacher at Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Student, in this video, we will learn some more HTML tags and attributes. So, let's start. Students, in last video, we have learned how we can insert images in our web page. In this video, we will learn how we can create link. Why we use link in our web page? When we want to join two or more than two web pages, just like in websites, we have to use links. To create link, we will use anchor tag. To write anchor tag, we have to write down A in angular brackets. Anchor tag is a container tag because it contains the hypertext on which we can click and move to the selected or movable page. We need to close anchor tag. It is the most important element in HTML and used to provide links in HTML documents. The anchor element puts the hyper in hypertext. Hyperlinks can point to any resources on the web, an HTML page, an image, a sound file, a movie clip, etc. You can see the syntax to use anchor tag. One attribute of anchor tag we have to use, that is href. Href means hyperlink reference. It contains the address of that page where we want to move, where we want to jump by clicking on any hypertext. Here you can see, here we have used anchor tag and one attribute of it, that is href. This href attribute contains the address of that page where we want to move on clicking this hypertext, and after it we have to close the anchor tag. Anchor tag we can use with two different ways: internal link and external link. External link is also called inter-file linking. It means we can link one HTML file to another, both having different address present on different location. So अगर हम किसी भी दो अलग अलग HTML फाइल को आपस में लिंक करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो इस तरह की लिंकिंग को हम लोग बोलते हैं एक्सटर्नल लिंकिंग या इंटरनल फाइल लिंकिंग. And to use this, we have to use anchor tag with href attribute that contain the address of that file which we want to link with hypertext. And internal file linking, it's also called intra-file linking. It means we can link one part of document to other part. Same as in Wikipedia, जहाँ पर किसी एक लिंक का पार्ट दूसरे लिंक के पार्ट से हम लोग ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जोड़ सकते हैं. Internal link allow you to link to another section on the same web page, so it basically scrolls the page up or down to the desired location. This is helpful to the user to quickly jump to the information he or she is looking for. The value of the href attribute must be a URL. If you want to jump from one part of the document to another part of the same document, then create an anchor at the destination and put a link at the source. The href attribute of the link should contain the name of the destination anchor. When we want to create the internal link, so we have to give the name of that segments. Here you can see we have given a name to the segment by using the name attribute, and name you can choose as your own. And whenever we have to jump on that segment, we have to jump with the name of that segment. So we have to give the name of that segment with the hash sign in href values. यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने जिस सेगमेंट पर हमें जंप करना था हमने एंकर टैग के अंदर नेम एट्रीब्यूट का इस्तेमाल किया है। उस सेगमेंट को अपना कोई एक नाम दिया है। नाम हमेशा यूनिक होना चाहिए, किन्हीं भी दो सेगमेंट के नाम सेम नहीं हो सकते हैं। एंड देन जब हमें उसे कॉल करना है, लिंक क्रिएट करनी है, तो हमें अनादर एक एंकर टैग बनाना है। href के अंदर हैश साइन लगाकर उसी सेम सेगमेंट का नाम लिखना है एंड देन हाइपर टेक्स्ट लिखना है। whenever we click on this hypertext we will jump to the segment named bookma_name। तो हम लोग इस सेगमेंट पर जंप कर जाएंगे। इंटरनल लिंकिंग यूजफुल होती है जब भी हम कोई बहुत बड़ा डॉक्यूमेंट बनाते हैं तो यूज़र आसानी से एक सेगमेंट से दूसरे सेगमेंट पर जंप कर जाता है। विकिपीडिया वेबसाइट जो है इंटरनल लिंकिंग का बेस्ट एग्जांपल है। Now, there are certain colors we can provide to link on web page with link, a-link and v-link attribute, and these attributes are of body tag. These attributes we have to use in body tag, not in anchor tag. So we can give a particular color. By default, whenever we use any of the link in our web page, it contains the blue color. But if you want to change the color, you must use the link attribute in body tag to give a desired color. V-link attribute of body tag we will use to give the visited link color. Whenever user has visited the link, the color will change. So the user specifies the link is visited or not. A-link color specifies the active link color. Whenever user click or roll over the mouse on it, the color will change for a little bit of time. That color is specified with the A-link attribute, and you can give any color to it. The mail to feature of the anchor tag allow you to create email links on your web page. It enables visitors to send feedback through the website, but to be able to send emails from a web page, the visitor needs to configure his email client, otherwise the email will not be sent. Here you can see the syntax. We have to use the anchor tag with href attribute, and in the href attribute we have to use some values like mail to. If we give some mail IDs in this mail to address bar, we can click the hypertext and directly send to the mail to this mail ID. अगर हम अपने वेब पेज पर इस तरह की कोई लिंक क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं कि यूज़र डायरेक्टली उस लिंक पर क्लिक कर हमको मेल कर पाए, हमको फीडबैक फॉर्म फिल कर पाए, दैट टाइम वी कैन यूज मेल टू एट्रीब्यूट, मेल टू वैल्यू इन href.